Meal prep doesn't have to be overwhelming or boring. In today's video, I'll show you how to create simple, nutritious meals that save you time, money, and stress. Plus, I'll share a few surprising tips to keep your meals exciting. Let's get started. Part 1. The big mistake most people make. Here's the #1 mistake most people make with meal prep. They try to cook everything at once. This leads to burnout and, let's be honest, boring meals by day 3. Instead, try this. Focus on prepping ingredients, not full meals. Chop veggies, cook a batch of grains, and grill some protein. Then mix and match for variety throughout the week. Part 2. Build the perfect meal. Now let's talk about balance. A well-prepped meal should include 3 essentials: lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs. This combo keeps you full, energized, and avoids those mid-afternoon crashes. But what about flavor? This next tip will take your meals from bland to mouth-watering. Spices and marinades are your best friends? Skip the heavy sauces loaded with sugar, and instead experiment with seasonings like paprika, cumin, or garlic powder. You won't believe how much of a difference it makes. Part 3. The food you should avoid. Here's a truth bomb. Not all healthy foods are actually good for you. One food you must avoid? Pre-packaged diet snacks. Most are filled with hidden sugars and artificial ingredients that sabotage your progress. Instead, try whole foods like nuts, fruits, or Greek yogurt. They're natural, filling, and packed with nutrients your body craves. Part 4. Time-saving hacks for busy days. Short on time? Here's a game changer: one-pan meals. Throw everything onto one pan, bake, and you've got a healthy, delicious meal with almost zero cleanup. Another hack? Use frozen veggies. They're just as nutritious as fresh and save you tons of prep time. Part 5. Keeping it interesting. Tired of eating the same meals? Here's how to keep things exciting. Theme nights. Think Taco Tuesdays or Mediterranean Mondays. Planning meals around a theme adds variety and makes meal prep fun. And don't forget to switch up your proteins. If you always use chicken, try salmon, tofu, or lean beef for a fresh twist. Your meal prep journey starts now. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. With these tips, you'll save time, eat healthier, and actually enjoy the process. Which of these tips will you try first? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more healthy living tips. Your journey to better nutrition starts here. See you in the next video.